If you thought me flipping $270 into $2350 was crazy, you haven't seen me flip $500 account to a $6,000 account with just trading one instrument, only 4 trades. It's crazy how it sounds, right? So stick around with me. Let's get to the video. What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the GOAT, and these are there's VS, there's VSOP, and there's XO, and I'm the XO of Forex, king of price action. If you didn't know that, you are the only one in here who don't know. What's Gucci, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe. So guys, this video, as you've seen with the intro, I flipped a $500 account into a $6,000 account with just one day, if not two. Yeah, it was within 24 hours when I flipped this, just trading one pair or instrument, which was US30, and only 4 trades. That's the craziest part. With only 4 trades on US30, we managed to flip this account. So please stick around with me. Let's break it down on how I did it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and guys, please comment on leave a comment in the comment section to show me some love for the algorithm, and subscribe as well, because guys, by next year I'm trying to get this channel, at least we would have hit 100,000 subscribers. Come on guys, I can't be giving you quality content like this, but I'm still on 35 subscribers. On 35,000 subscribers. Come on guys, let's hit that subscribe button. Let's share the video so that we can get more people watching my channel. But either or, you already know it's time for work. Let's get it. So essentially guys, this is the setup that we genuinely had. So as you can see, this was the US30, right? As you can see on US30, the market had actually pushed to the upside. The market had actually pushed to the upside, created all of that, and I believe that by the time the market did all of this, the market was just somewhere right about here. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. The market was just right about here, so I'm just going to highlight it in order for you to see it. It was somewhere right about here. Yeah, so let's go on an hourly time frame. So on a 1-hour time frame, this is what genuinely happened. Let's pretend as if prices this side never happened. So this is just genuinely me and US30, right? So naturally, when I read the market, so I had seen that this is an impulse and this is a possible correction for a continuation to the downside, right? I wouldn't lie to you guys and say I was expecting it to break here and go even further more down. I didn't. I don't even want to X or sound smart or something like that, but I never really expected it to drop up until this far. So what had happened was, okay, as you can zoom it in, for me, as I said, this was my correction. But either or, this is when the CPI news occurred. I had expected the market to start buying. I wouldn't lie to you. I was expecting for the market to buy. Why? Because I was looking at this area. So I automatically assumed that the market on CPI is just gonna spike up. Little did I know it was a good thing to actually have a buy stop instead of market execution, because if I had market execution, I would have blown my account with this candlestick. So we had set up a buy stop, I think somewhere right about here, and then it wasn't triggered, the market just went down. Alright, because I know how price action does really work. So after the market spiked down and came back to spike up, in my head, this is what happened. This might be another opportunity for us to enter. As you can see on the screen, the buy stop is actually showing right now. This is what I actually saw personally there on the thingy. But the good part is I scaled in with the sales. So as I scaled in with the sales and the market started going back up, I kind of a bit panicked and I closed my trades. As you can see on the screen, I actually had closed my trades. But after then, when I went to a 15-minute time frame, this is what the 15-minute time frame did to me. Bear in mind, this was just a spike. I automatically said, okay, and this might be another opportunity to enter in order for when the market breaks, it breaks with you. And guess what? We entered again. So as I entered again, you can see on the screen, I had some few entries. and then they kept on running and running and running and running and running. And then as they kept on running, when you get here, the market gave me another correction again. So to me, this looked like it was a retest again. So it was a point in time to scale in. So as you can see on the screen right now, I scaled in with lot 3. So as you can see, the entry was perfect, and then the market dropped, and then the market dropped quite nicely, as you can see right now. So as the market kept on moving down, when it got here, I put my stop loss somewhere right about this area to protect these 2 entries I had here. And then when I noticed the market might have a chance of bouncing back, guess what, guys? I didn't genuinely expect this. The market literally created another correction. So you can assume how many opportunities were here. So the first opportunity was impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, a small version of a correction, impulse again, another correction. So when the market got somewhere right about here for a retest, I scaled in again so that I can go down with it, but now with a more risk. And look, this is what generally happened. You could see how perfect these entries were to actually just trade this, especially just understanding how price action really does work. Let me not confuse you by just showing you something. Sorry about that. Let me just not confuse you. In simple terms, we would say, this was my first entry, I went out. I get back again here, I got again here, and then I scaled in right there. Why? Not because I'm smart, nah. Because I understand that after every impulse is a correction, after every impulse is a correction, after every impulse, there's a correction. And then the final results, I allowed the market to run, kept on running, just adjusting my stop loss. As you can see on the screenshot right there, I'm showing you guys where I actually scaled out with 0.02 to protect some certain type of profit. And here's again another screenshot that shows you guys how I held the trade for the longest time, and it just kept on. But at some certain point, you gotta understand when it's time to go out of the market. And as you can see, I had my $6,000 withdrawn straight to my PayPal. And if you want me to plug you guys with the broker that funds with PayPal, please make sure you join the Telegram link on my bio so that I can plug you with the broker that funds with PayPal and pays you with PayPal. It's actually the best broker ever as well. Like any other or. The reason why I use different brokers is because I'm trying to show you guys that it's not, the problem is not the broker, the problem might be you trading. So if your trading is not well, then there's no way you can actually be making money and stuff like that. So now let me just give you a bit of focus before the video ends. So if you can look at it right now, US30 has created something of this nature. So let's bring in a current forecast. So with the current forecast, if you look left, you would also see we have a sensitive area right here, right? As we have a sensitive area right there, we are now ranging between these two sensitive areas. So this in the overall, what is it saying to me? It's saying to me this was an impulse, and then now this is a large version of a correction. And what we should be expecting is the market to start dropping in 2022. So I kind of heard news about the US being on recession and stuff like that. If it really is, we go have to be expecting high selling volatility over these price levels or all of that up until possibly the market hits here, or per se the market up until the market hits somewhere right about here. So we might be expecting long-term sells and stuff like that. But what I love is the market looks purely beautiful right now. That shit is actually crazy, guys. Think about it. Just understand price action and just know not every pattern or structure occurs on a 1 hour time frame, because I believe that I wouldn't have caught those trades if the market was genuinely like this. Why? I had to drop it down in order to understand what happens over this price over here and what's happening over the price over here, and also what happened over the price over here. But if I was just on an hour, I wouldn't assume it was something. But when I dropped on a 15-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame gave me a clear indication, because on a 15-minute time frame, these are small versions of corrections. These are just the small versions of the corrections. You could see these were opportunities for us to scale up with the market and just do whatever. As well as you can see over here, this was also that part of the reversal. That is why when the market broke out, started buying, got here, sold, it broke out, selling, and it's just the continuous pattern. You just gotta make sure you understand price action. Much love, peace, and happiness. Yes, sir. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and if you are new to this channel, you like the video, please guys don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share and leave a comment down below so that I can make sure that I keep on giving you guys quality content all the time, man. I just be feeling like I'm giving you quality content all the time. So, but without anything guys, don't worry, the next video after this one, it's a video where I passed my funded challenge. So as you can see, here's the certificate here from my Forex funds. I actually passed my challenge, so I'm going to be showing you how I passed it. It was really kind of a bit, not really hard. I think I passed it. You're supposed, for both faces, you're supposed to have 10 minimum trading days. So I think I passed both my faces in like the 5th day. So I'm just going to be breaking down how I was able to do it, and how was the learning curve towards understanding how it works. It was. So guys, if we can get this video to at least 1,000 likes, straight up to 1,000 likes, and at least 100 shares, then I'm gonna drop that video ASAP before we hit 2023. So let's make sure that this video gets the likes, this video gets the shares, because guys, I really need your support. But you already know what's going on. This is your boy, the good, and these are Pro Gang.